Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Vanguard for Valorant. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager, and then it should be no tasks related to Riot Client, VGC. And if there is some task, you just need to end it. And also Valorant, of course, Valorant, right? Then what you need to do here is to go and search and then write installed apps. Installed apps. And on installed apps, you need to look for Vanguard, right? And search Vanguard. And then you just need to press on the three dots, uninstall, and uninstall again. Press yes. And then here on this new window, press yes again. And Vanguard should be uninstalled after a few seconds here, right? You just need to wait. Then open up Riot Client. Once it's opened, go to Valorant, and then press update to install Vanguard, and you need to wait for a couple of seconds as well. Then you should get this message here that system requires restart. But first, what I suggest to do here is to go to services, then click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Right click on it, go to properties, then startup type, make sure it's automatic, and then make sure it's started, right? Then you need to wait for a couple of seconds and apply the changes after it's done. Just apply the changes. Then you need to go to just write run, then write msconfig. Then here you need to go to services, select hi all Microsoft services, scroll down until you see VGC and make sure it's enabled, apply OK, and then restart your computer and Vanguard should be installed. So that's pretty much it.